Hey, it's Dr. Livingood live from the bathroom. Don't worry, not too live, but here are 5 warning signs that you need a detox. Warning sign number 1 that you are toxic is you can't lose weight. You hold on to all of those toxins. It causes a rebound effect where your body's trying to figure out where to store the toxins. It stuffs it away as fat. So if it's time to lose weight, it's time for a detox. Number 2 is literally there's bloating and pain. The digestive system can have pain, but sometimes it's just pain in the joints of your body. Your body's accumulating these toxins. It's time to flush them out. What that leads to is number 3, but you have skin issues. It might be eczema, it might be psoriatic or psoriasis type things, or you're just breaking out. Your body's toxic, the digestive system can't eliminate it, so it's coming up through your skin. That's kind of gross. Number 4 is your energy levels. If you're fatigued, if you're tired, it is time to detox. Flushing out the excess toxins in your body allows the energy to be freed up to actually heal you and energize you instead of dealing with all of those. And finally, number 5, if you are getting sick a lot, if you are run down, wore out, cold and flu season, you got to detox in anticipation of those seasons. If you're in the middle of one, it's time to flush things out, especially if you've taken a lot of medications for those situations. You're depleting your immune system. A simple, even 3-day proper juice cleanse or detoxification can crank up your immune system, shows research out of UCLA really quick. 5 warning signs that you need to flush out the system and detoxify it. So I'm gonna challenge you right now, when's the last time you detoxed? If you think about your house, you gotta change the air filters a couple times a year at least, if not quarterly, to keep the air clean. When's the last time you flushed your own filters to keep your own body clean? You should at least be doing this quarterly. So it's time to get after it. It's time to do a detox and flush out the system.